What always anchors you to happiness? For me, it's my resilience. Just I've overcome so many struggles in my life that haven't broken me. So it makes me feel super resilient. And I love that about myself. It's probably the thing I love the most about myself. We all have something that anchors us to happiness. One of the most important things you can do to experience more happiness on a continuous basis is to find that quality about yourself that always anchors you to joy, always uplifts you and makes you feel good. Take the time to figure it out. It's one of the best investments in your time you'll ever make. If you need support or guidance, go to thegoliathfoundation.com or subscribe to the link below where you'll find more tips and tools and guidance. And as always, hands up, chin down, no pain. You got this.